There are moments in history when it feels like the universe itself leans in and whispers a warning. Right now, we may be living through one of those moments. The James Webb Space Telescope has just captured something extraordinary, an image that could redefine our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Officially, it's catalogued as 3I/Atlas, believed to be just another interstellar comet drifting in from the void. But what if that's wrong? What if it isn't a comet at all, but a vessel? A disguised probe cloaked in ice and dust, silently maneuvering through our solar system with intentions we can only guess at. Decades ago, Stephen Hawking gave us a chilling warning. Don't send signals into space. If someone hears us, they might come. We didn't listen. For over a century, Earth has been broadcasting its presence across the stars. Radio waves, television signals, even deliberate interstellar messages. And now, something or someone might finally be answering. What Webb's powerful eye recorded isn't just strange. It could be the clearest sign yet that we are no longer alone. And whoever has found us may have been preparing for this moment far longer than we realize. When astronomers first spotted 3I/Atlas, it seemed harmless. Another icy traveler from deep interstellar space. Nothing unusual. But James Webb's ultra-precise imaging shattered that illusion. Its structure, its dust halo, even its movement didn't match what we know about comets. Instead of a random, chaotic path, 3I/Atlas was on a razor-straight trajectory, aligned perfectly with the orbital plane of our planets. Nature almost never does that. And then came the shocker, its speed. Over 255,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than any known comet of its size should be able to travel without propulsion. To put it in perspective, at that speed it could cross the entire United States in under 2 minutes. But it wasn't just moving fast, it was moving smart. Its path wasn't random. It performed gravity assist flybys around Venus, Mars and Jupiter, maneuvers that human space agencies spend years planning for their own deep space missions. The odds of that happening by pure chance? Roughly 1 in 20,000. That's when Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb and his colleagues began to consider the unthinkable. Maybe this wasn't just a rock. Maybe it was designed. Its closest pass to the Sun, its perihelion, will happen when Earth is positioned directly on the opposite side of our star. For several weeks in late October 2025, 3I/Atlas will disappear into the Sun's blinding glare. No telescopes will see it, no radar will track it, it will become completely invisible. In space terms, that's the perfect cover. A natural comet would simply swing by and continue its course. But if something intelligent is inside that icy cloak, this hidden window would be the perfect moment to fire up engines, change direction, and do it all undetected. By the time it re-emerges from behind the Sun, it could be on an entirely new trajectory, and we wouldn't know until it's too late. And here's where it gets even more chilling. If you wanted to disguise an alien probe, what better cover than a comet? Think about it, a solid core wrapped in ice and dust. As it nears the Sun, jets of gas erupt, creating a glowing halo that blinds our instruments. Telescopes can't see through it. Radar scatters off its uneven shell. Any internal heat signatures would be drowned out in the chaos of outgassing. Which means if 3I/Atlas really is artificial, it may have been hiding in plain sight all along. But here's the ultimate question. If this is a machine, what is its purpose? Loeb offers two possibilities. One is benign. Maybe it's a robotic explorer, surveying star systems, collecting data, a cosmic scout. But history offers darker lessons. The Trojan horse was a gift until it wasn't. When advanced civilizations encountered less advanced ones, the outcome was rarely peaceful for the weaker side. And if this object is hostile? The stakes are apocalyptic. NASA is rumored to have a contingency project, codenamed Shield 3, to intercept 3I/Atlas if necessary. But the speed and distance involved make such a mission nearly impossible. Conventional rockets simply can't catch it in time. Engineers are quietly discussing nuclear thermal propulsion, ion drives, even solar sails. But without immediate action, the window may close before we're ready. And then came the most unsettling discovery of all. The James Webb didn't just capture images. Its spectrometer split the light from 3I/ATLAS into wavelengths, revealing chemical signatures. What it found didn't match any known comet. Strange traces of metals, reflective patterns resembling engineered alloys, and faint, steady heat, too consistent to be sunlight alone. It was as though something inside was generating power, which brings us back to Hawking's warning. For decades, the idea of hostile visitors was just a theory, something distant and abstract. But the arrival of 3I/ATLAS makes it disturbingly real. In the dark forest model of the universe, civilizations remain silent, not out of fear, but out of survival. If you broadcast your presence, you risk attracting predators. Earth has been anything but silent. For over a century, our transmissions have lit up the galaxy like a beacon. If this object really is a probe, maybe it isn't here by accident. Maybe it's here because we called it. Behind closed doors at NASA and the Department of Defense, whispers grow louder. If 3I/ATLAS emerges from behind the sun on a changed trajectory, Shield 3 may shift from rumor to reality. Humanity may face its first and only chance to act. The clock is ticking. Soon it will slip behind the sun, hidden from every eye on Earth. And when it re-emerges, everything could be different. Its path, its purpose, its intentions. So ask yourself, are we watching a comet, or is something watching us? When 3I/ATLAS returns from the sun's shadow, we may face the most important revelation in human history. A lonely machine drifting through space, curious about who we are, or the first wave of something far more dangerous. In the vast silence of the cosmos, even the smallest change in direction can be the loudest message ever sent. And when that message arrives, will we be ready? If you want to follow every update in this unfolding mystery, every image, every data point, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because when 3I/ATLAS re-emerges, the world may never be the same again.